handled by ECB students. Okay, let's start.
Empathy helps us to design a semiconductor based on the end user needs by focusing on the experience and the real world applications. It shifts the design mindset from technical specs to human impact. And the key focus areas are human-centered design and start by understanding who will use the final product. For example, mobile phone or medical device. It and also moving to the experience about the chip. And second one is the global impact. Design the chip across a wide range of using across the world. More inclusive, accessible, and sustainable.
Okay, good. Next up.
Defend based on empathy clearly defend about core problems from a user-centric perspective. For instance, instead of the technical problems like increasing transistor density, any design thinking approach maybe how how empower the how empower the how can empower the mobile users from a longer battery life.
Okay, next.
Next, we are going to see about ideal for semiconductors. First, quantum computing and chips. We can develop semiconductors based on quantum computing application to enhance stability and scalability. In advanced power management system, we can develop semiconductors to improve power conversion. We can also develop semiconductors based on AI to enhance machine learning and deep learning conversion. In 5G and 6G networks, we can design semiconductors for high frequency, for high speed communication. We can also use secure semiconductors for sensitive application to protect against cyber threats and to enhance encryption.
Okay, good. Pause.
On the next type is prototype. There are 4 types of transistors. First one is bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor. It is used in switches and amplification. It uses as an amplifiers and switches. Next is solar energy transistor, which converts light energy into electrical energy. It is also used in circuit analysis like breadboarding and so on. And last one is MEMS, micro electro ammeter, which is used in mobile devices and medical applications and so on.
Testing is done by 2 ways. One is by user validation and another one is by iterative refinement. First one tells about how the chip is designed with the semiconductor. It is done by 2 processes. One is by potential work and another one is by sensor with the real world objects. It is designed with a new chip of semiconductor which is tested with their functionality.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about I will ask very basic question of semiconductors. Okay, what is semiconductor? Partially conducting material. What are the semiconductors classified into 2 types? What are the 2 types? Intrinsic and anyone? Intrinsic and extrinsic. What is the intrinsic semiconductor?
Intrinsic semiconductor is
Pure form of semiconductor called as intrinsic. What is extrinsic? What is extrinsic semiconductor? Impure form of semiconductor called as extrinsic semiconductor. And then what are the example of semiconductors? Silicon and germany. Okay, fine, good, very good. Now we are also in lab experiment also conducting. What are the semiconductor based? What is that experiment name? Band gap of semiconductor. What is the band gap of silicon? 0.7 electron. And then silicon for 1.1 electron volts. Okay, well, these are the very basic introduction about the semiconductor and then deeply based video. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, students.